Yasing. I am Dr. Ntuj Hmoov. I would like to introduce you to Linia and Zos Ntuj Hmoov Ntuj. Linia, the belief in our mother, is a religion that has existed since 2006. Zos Ntuj Hmoov is Linia's village. I am grateful to be a member of this wonderful religion and am honored to share the core beliefs of Linia, our mother, and the values of Zos Ntuj Hmoov with you. The core principles of Linia are rooted in the belief that Linia, who gives us life, loves us the most, and our children who we give life to, we love the most. We are all born by Linia, and we shall love, care, respect, and be kind to one another as brothers and sisters and one family. The core teachings of Linia are centered in the belief that love, care, and kindness are given to all living beings. It is our responsibility to preserve, protect, and conserve this beautiful earth and environment. We have faith that the learning and practicing of the core beliefs and teachings of Linia creates a just, peaceful, and happy community that helps humans live in harmony with nature and all living things. The teachings of Linia inspired the vision of Zos Ntuj Hmoov, a dream that is slowly coming to fruition. Zos Ntuj Hmoov will be a community guided by the core beliefs and teachings of Linia. Its purpose is not only to provide a loving community to its members and the individuals who reside within Zos Ntuj Hmoov, but to give back as productive citizens to our communities and our country, to help marginalized individuals, and to care and conserve for nature and the environment. The members of Zos Ntuj Hmoov will learn and practice Linia's teachings of traditions, language, culture, and kindness, and share these positive teachings with others. Members will practice the values of hard work, respect, honesty, and integrity in the community, and share these values by being role models. Members will create a positive, inspiring, and welcoming family community within Zos Ntuj Hmoov for all. Members will design services to bring and guide all of our members together and provide a foundation for future successes as they navigate their personal development, spiritual growth, and self-confidence. And members will create a self-sustaining culture and economic base that will support and connect all living things and the natural environment together. For our communities, Zos Ntuj Hmoov helps to reduce crimes, drugs, and other negative activities by practicing the teachings and values of Linia and sharing these practices with individuals and other organizations and communities. Zos Ntuj Hmoov will increase business and economic opportunities by developing businesses within Zos Ntuj Hmoov and attracting tourists around the world to visit the community. In doing so, Zos Ntuj Hmoov will increase job opportunities and reduce unemployment rates. We will work with other religious institutions and organizations to serve our communities by promoting Linia's concept of love, care, kindness, and respect for all. We will promote Linia's concept of positive social interactions, ethical business practices, and political harmony through the integration of various leaders into the community. And we will reach out to disadvantaged individuals and families to help them reclaim a prominent and productive place within our society by offering housing services and religious programs specifically designed to meet the needs of marginalized groups of people. For nature and the environment, Zos Ntuj Hmoov helps to promote healthy activities by providing bicycling and walking trails throughout parks and natural areas of Zos Ntuj Hmoov. We will practice being environmentally friendly, energy efficient, and conserve and preserve the environment and the earth. We will teach and promote health and wellness to our community and other communities by growing and consuming organic foods and promoting spiritual, mental, and physical health to the communities. And we will cultivate a culture of sharing and caring by promoting ongoing interactions and engagement between all that live, work, and worship within Zos Ntuj Hmoov, and blend activities in a harmonious fashion according to the teachings of Linia. In its simplest form, Linia teaches us to be compassionate, loving, and respectful individuals. Linia reminds us that we must practice and incorporate what we learn into our everyday interactions and behaviors in order to be better versions of ourselves and to truly be better individuals within our larger communities. This is who we are. If you would like more information or support our cause, please contact Dr. Cheuyengther Xiong, our leader, at the contact information provided on this screen. Thank you. Ching Sing.